we are under a tornado watch, and I'm recording the lightning. We are safe for now, and I'm just gonna record the lightning for a few minutes. There's a flash. Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm really scared right now. I'm not sure if you can hear in my voice. Thought my hair was rising for a second. This is a sign you're gonna get struck by lightning, but no, it was just a leaf from the bush I'm standing next to. Ooh, there's a flash. Gotta get one more flash before I go and it's starting to rain. Okay. Oh, that was a good flash. Alright, I'm going in. Nope. I am going inside now. Screw this. Screw it. Nope. So much nope. No more light shows.